Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a button in Base44. First, just launch the Base44 workspace, come here and click on the app or project that you want to add the button to. And once you open the project up here, you'll see a panel on the left hand side where you can add your prompt to edit your project or app. And as you can see here, I have a task manager, and if I come here, click on this button right here that says add new task. Look at this. It gives me a pop-up and I can enter my task title, description, choose a priority, and click on add task, and that would save it, right? Now, you just need to prompt it. So if you want a basic button, you can just ask it to add a button that says submit. So for example, like this, add a button that says submit. That's all. Submit. Make sure you have it in speech marks. Just like that, or say I need a button to save, just go ahead and enter that prompt and just wait for Base44 to work its magic, okay? And if you need a button with a specific action, right, you need to, define that. For example, you can say add a mark as complete button next to each task item, right? You can do that. Now let's just give Base44 just about a minute. That's how long it usually takes to do these things. All right, so it is refreshing my app. As you can see, it is just done, and we should see a button in the form that says submit. So let's come here, click on add a new task, and there we go. We have a submit button added, right? And it's really that easy. Just go ahead and define everything correctly to Base44 properly in that prompt. And that is how you can add a button in Base44.